Okay, so let's take a look at how you can return the week of the year based on the given date. We can use WEEKNUM function in Google Sheet for that, right? So let's say if I give you a date, let's say 2023 2 and then if I use WEEKNUM and then basically pass on our A to cell, right? It will be fifth week, which is in February 23, first 4 weeks for January, then fifth week where we have second date, right? Now let's see if that particular date is start of the week, like say if Sunday is the start of the week and Monday comes second, so what should be the week nums output? So what we will do is we will use WEEKNUM, pass on our date, and then let's say first is our Sunday and second is our Monday. We will find that it's the week second, right? So similarly, we can also add it in a big formula as well. So let's say if I have different date, so we will use date and then we will pass on year, say 22/3 and 1984. Now I want to enclose this in WEEKNUM function, right? So I will have to close this within that. So this should be the 12th week of 1984 here, right? So these are some of the ways you can use WEEKNUM function to play with dates in Google Sheet, right? So there are multiple formulas you can mix and match with and try WEEKNUM functions output for your use case.